Did you know you can use your VA loan to buy an investment property? We're diving into exactly how you can do it in this video. Hey there, are you a veteran looking to purchase a second home or investment property? Well, I am going to break down exactly how you can do it in this video so you can start building financial freedom through real estate. And first, really quick, my name is Xochitl Cervantes with the RockStone Real Estate Group here in Austin, Texas. And if you are a veteran looking to buy your first or second home, well, give me a call, text me, or email me and let's chat. So as a veteran, you're entitled to certain benefits when it comes to buying a house. One of those benefits is the VA loan, which allows you to buy a home with a $0 down payment and no private mortgage insurance, which can save you hundreds of dollars a month on your payment. But did you know that you can also use your VA loan to purchase a second home? Yep, that's right. With your full entitlement, you can finance a second home just like your primary residence. This will allow you to move into your second house, rent out your existing one, and start building lasting wealth through real estate. Well, first, let me explain what your full entitlement means. Your full entitlement is the amount the VA guarantees to a lender on your behalf. It's the maximum amount the VA will pay if you default on your loan. If you have a VA loan that started before January 1st, 2020, well, then you may have some limits on your loan based on your county loan limits. However, for any loan made after 2020, there's no limit in the entitlement. In other words, the VA doesn't place a limit on how much you can borrow. However, you can just go borrow millions of dollars, right, to buy a home. You'll be limited by how much your lender will allow you to borrow, and they have to make sure you can actually afford the house you're buying. And they'll look at things like income, they'll look at your credit, they'll look at your employment. The cool thing about buying a second house with the VA loan, though, is that they can use or count 75% of the projected rental income from your first home as part of your income. This is going to help you qualify to purchase that second home much more easily. To use your full entitlement to buy a second home, you need to meet certain requirements. First, you must have used your VA loan eligibility to purchase your primary residence. This means you must have lived in the home for at least 12 months before renting it out. Now, you can buy that second home and finance it up to 100% of the home's value with no down payment required. But you also don't have to pay private mortgage insurance, which saves you hundreds of dollars each month. Keep in mind, you can always bring in additional down payment though. You know, that down payment to purchase that second home if the lender won't lend you the full amount. In other words, if you're buying a $500,000 home and the lender is going only to lend you $400,000, well, you can bring in the additional $100,000 to cover the difference. And well, there you have it. If you are a veteran looking to build financial freedom through real estate, this is how you can buy a second home to live in and rent out your first one. If you're looking to buy your first or second home using your VA benefits, well, reach out to me so we can chat through the specifics of your situation, and I'll get you in touch with an amazing local lender that can help you make all this happen. And if you want to stay up to date on what's happening in the Austin real estate market, well, then subscribe to this channel and let's connect, and I'll see you next week.